Upon conducting a search on YouTube, I came across a channel named Ben Linoel Scott. What caught my attention was his intriguing content consisting of motivational shorts. His content is garnering millions of views within just a few days. This prompted me to visit Social Blade to investigate his earnings. Here, you can observe that he boasts a subscriber count of 2.8 million and his monthly earnings from $3,000 to $47,000. Absolutely, my dear friend. You too can potentially generate a substantial passive income by creating and uploading short videos. In this video, I will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to easily create short videos from longer ones with just a single click. Make sure not to skip any part and watch until the end to get the full information. Let us start. Please establish a folder on your desktop and proceed to copy and paste the video splitter file into this newly created directory. You can find the file link in the description below. Please note that it is assumed you have already installed Anaconda or Python programming software on your computer. Enter CMD in the file path, then execute the following commands: conda activate and Jupyter Notebook to open a Jupyter file. This will open new Jupyter Notebook file. Open Video Splitter Python file. Before executing this code, please ensure that you run the following command in a new cell. This is the name of input file. This is the name of output file. This duration of output video. I have already downloaded on long video. Let us split this video. Change the name of the file to something similar within the code, and then proceed to run the Jupyter code. This will split longer video into smaller videos within a minute. You check output video here. Each video duration is of 20 seconds. Now let us see how can we create shorts. Please navigate to Canva and create a new project with the title YouTube Shorts. Upload a video and adjust its dimensions to match the size requirements of YouTube Shorts. Add a text if you want. Now click on the Save button and wait for the video to download. Please be patient, as it may take some time to upload the video and complete the download process. Once the video has finished downloading, please copy it to the same folder. Rename it and give same name in Jupyter file. Finally, run the code. This will generate multiple shorts in a single click. You can verify your video here. That's all, my dear friend. This method allows you to create multiple short videos from a longer one, which you can then upload to your YouTube channel to generate income online. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to receive more ideas on how to make money online with AI. Thank you.